Oh my.
Who's hungry? Eric, you said that you have some words to share about your feelings about turkey and turkey sandwiches.
Yeah, I mean, Thanksgiving isn't one of my favorite holidays. The food's good. However, what I most look forward to is turkey sandwiches. Whether if you're stuffed or full, you need to have a turkey sandwich. The only reason I eat Thanksgiving dinner is to have the turkey sandwich. You took it up a notch this year.
Oh yeah, the classic simple turkey sandwich with just like mayo on good bread.
Lots of pepper.
Lots of pepper. Can't beat it. But you kind of can beat it. It would begin with bread, wouldn't it?
Yes.
I have 3 slices. We're gonna make a double-decker sandwich. You can just do a regular sandwich if you want to, but I think it's cool to have 3 layers. So I have a little cheat sheet here because we've had so many turkey clubs by now that I had to write down the best.
You've scientifically engineered the perfect combination of stacking.
Yes.
For the perfect bite.
So I'm gonna have to cheat. We have slice 1 here. We're gonna move on over.
This is like delicious sourdough, right?
Yes.
So I love this for turkey sandwiches.
You want good bread. You gotta have good bread for a good sandwich.
Yep.
And then we're gonna pop on a lettuce leaf. I'm cheating.
Okay.
And then on the top of that, we want to add tomato.
Can I cut the tomato?
Yes.
How thin? Okay, just like this?
Yeah, just like slice it. Just like that.
Oh, that is
And I like
a sharp knife.
a little thicker than that. This tomato's gonna be in
How's
rough
that?
shape. Perfect.
Okay.
Probably want to get about 4 slices out of that
Okay.
tomato.
And what do you do? 2 tomatoes?
Yeah, so 2 tomatoes.
Okay.
And obviously you're going to just do whatever fits on your bread. If it's small, you want to do just 1 tomato.
Okay, we have our veggies. That's great and all, but like, let's bring on the good stuff. So what's
Is
next?
this too healthy?
On
Should
your,
we stop there?
On your cheat sheet. No, thank you.
Okay, bacon. How do you feel about bacon?
What a tragedy. Let's do it.
It's like glistening. It's just so gorgeous.
Ooh, it's nice and crispy.
Crispy. So you can do crispy bacon. If you like it a little bit more chewy, you
Oops,
can do that.
I broke it in half. Is that okay? How do you do it? Like
So
this?
I just usually, because the bread is just so long.
Ah, okay. How
I
many
usually-
slices?
So I do like 3 or 4. We
Oh
happen
my
to
Lord.
have like basically 5, so might as well. But you want to remember that if you do 3 layers with 3 pieces of bread, you want enough bacon to taste
True,
it through
that's
the
true.
whole thing.
Oh, it's only 1 layer of bacon. I got it.
Yes, 1 layer
Okay.
bacon.
What's next?
Then we have our mayo. So to me, this is the best part. I'm a huge mayo fan, but this is just like a ridiculous.
You want to know something? I don't know if you knew this about me. I hate mayo, except for on turkey sandwiches.
How are we married?
Oh, please. What makes this mayo special?
All it is some finely grated Parmesan cheese. If you want to go all out, you want to use Parmigiano Reggiano, the good aged stuff, and you just want to pop that right into your mayo. And then, to me, turkey sandwiches, you gotta have the black pepper. Like, it's a necessary thing. So you want a lot of black pepper.
I'm gonna grind this, don't you?
Yes, so I need about a teaspoon. So I'm gonna
Okay.
put it right there so I can
Might just gonna
watch
start-
you. Faster! Faster! Stop!
Okay.
Look at that.
I'm fatigued.
You did that really fast.
Pepper's ground.
Pepper is ground. I feel like this bowl is too small.
It is. I don't know why you did this. Okay, I'm
So
gonna
go
give
ahead
it a
and
little
mix
stir
it.
here.
You gotta be extra graceful. Practice grace. Will you mix this mayo
Okay.
together?
Ooh, wow.
Want to show the people?
I do. Here we are.
Doesn't that look good? Oh, it's coming out of the bowl. So you want to put the mayo on the bread always,
Okay.
just like you're building a regular sandwich. So I have a little knife if it's
Oh,
easier.
yeah.
Or you could spoon it and then I'll.
Sure.
I'll
There you go.
So you want like a relatively thick layer.
Generous.
I mean, obviously it's what you like. I mean, if you like a lot of mayo, put a lot of mayo, but I just think this makes the whole sandwich. So you gotta go all out.
Totally agree.
Then you just pop the bread, mayo side down, on the top of your bacon. And next up is the turkey. I have some leftover turkey here. Obviously, you want to use really good quality turkey if you're not making this around Thanksgiving. This obviously has some skin on it since this was from Thanksgiving. And so I'm just going to remove the skin because you don't really want like a piece of skin in your turkey.
Agreed. So you cut the turkey and I'll put it on the sandwich.
Yes.
I don't know how thick you're going to go here, so.
So I'm actually not a lefty. So do you want to cut it?
Sure,
so
I'll cut
the
it.
people can see the slicing?
Let's do it. Just you got to tell me how thick I go here.
So I just kind of, we're going to switch spots here.
How's this?
Yeah, do whatever you think, even if it comes off in like little pieces. If you just have like little chunks of turkey left over, that still works. And I think like start with 3 slices because it's it's nice and thick.
Wow. Oh my God.
So you can kind of just layer it. You know, if it looks excessive, you can take like a piece and
okay.
kind of break it and layer it so it's a little bit more elegante.
Okay, looks beautiful.
I'm gonna switch again. And then onion.
What's on the sheet? Okay. Good addition. I like this a lot.
So
You're gonna make me mandolin this, right?
mandolining your onion. You just take the whole onion, peel it, and then you just want to run it along the mandolin to make nice thin slices. You don't even really need to push down that much because you want them like paper thin, and that's good.
Oh, great.
Yeah, you don't want a ton, and you just want to kind of layer them just like this. Sneak another. You're hiding them from me. Right on the top.
This is art. I don't know how we're gonna bite this, but it's art.
You gotta really stretch your mouth muscles for this one. So there you go.
I didn't put enough chapstick on. My lips will crack.
Okay, and next we have more lettuce. So we want to top it with some lettuce. And then we've had enough of the tomato land, I think, because the tomato, again, makes it really thick. It's kind of juicy. It's very, like, almost overpowering if you have too much tomato. Last time we kind of noted that when we made it.
Too big.
Our first one. And then we want some mayo.
On the bread.
Mayo.
Okay. All of it. Do it. Do it. I'll spread. Can we put this sandwich on together, this top?
Yes.
Which way does it even go? Here it goes.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Teamwork.
Look at this thing.
Look. So then I just put some toothpicks in, just like this, to hold it together. You obviously don't need to do this, but it does make life a little bit easier. And then take a nice sharp knife. And if you're lucky, it'll stay intact while you cut.
Oh my Lord.
Who's hungry? The question is, can I bite this?
I can't wait any longer. Toothpick in? You gotta take that out, right?
I'm leaving it in so it stays together, but I'm gonna take it out when I get close. Oh my gosh, I can't do it.
Ridiculous.
Do we need to say anything else? Check it out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it. Once you have this, you'll never have plain turkey sandwiches ever again.
I don't know why, I just love you so much. It hurts.